super crispy on the outside with cheesy goodness inside. And it's so quick and easy. Let's make corn and cheese samosas. For the filling, mixed boiled corn, finely chopped onions, garlic, green chilies, and coriander. Now grate in as much cheese as you like. You can use processed or mozzarella, whatever you prefer. Season it with salt, some pepper, mix and set it aside. To make the actual samosas, we are using ready-to-use Patti samosa sheets. Place some filling at one end of the sheet, around an inch away from the edge. Now join one corner to the opposite edge of the sheet and start to fold in triangles. When you're a little over halfway through, we are going to start gluing the sheet with a thick paste of maida and water. Spread a very thin layer all around just like so and tightly wrap the rest of the triangle. These sheets are mostly frozen, but they are very easily available at local grocery stores or online. I'm going to show you one more way to make the samosa. Follow the same folding process until you have at least 3 or 4 folds. At every fold, press down on them to form a crease so that when you move on to the next fold, the previous ones don't unravel. Then separate the layers to form your pocket and place the filling inside. Place it flat down on the surface and repeat the same process for the rest of it. Make sure you apply a fairly thin layer of the flour paste, otherwise you'll end up with a thick coating on just one side of the samosa. And once you're confident enough with your folds, you can skip this process and only use very little paste just at the last inch of the sheet to seal off the samosa. Just wrap it tightly at every fold and you're all set. Let's fry these samosas in any neutral oil on a medium-high flame until golden brown. A quick tip for your samosas to be perfectly sealed off: dip the corners of the samosas in the remaining maida paste so that none of your fillings ooze out while frying. This recipe works great if you want to prepare the samosas in advance because you can just freeze them in an airtight container. Just take them out and fry. By the way, have you also checked out the delicious keema samosa recipe? The link is in the description. Well, you've made it this far, so hit that subscribe button too.